Hi, my loves. Good afternoon. So you guys follow me into the market as I go to buy stuff to restock my kitchen or my house, whatever.
What's it called?
Buckets.
What's it called?
Water. 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 Yeah. But don't mistake this girl for being me. Hey, baby girl is thirsty. Water, water. I even thought she was calling Neche. Yeah, take. Say thank you. Good girl. So guys, I'm back from the market. I'm about to sort out the things I bought in the market today. Mama? Good morning. Tiffany is second. Eh? Yeah. What are you saying? Eh? Memeko? Okay, and I just started sorting the things I bought from the market today. So this, I bought this. This is the one bucket of this. I bought it for 8,000 naira. And this is one packet of Maggi. I bought this for 1,600. This is a neck, Aderiano, and this is intestine. So here, this is a beef. This is a goosey. This beef I bought it for 4,000 naira. This Aderiano, the throat of a cow. I bought this for 4,500, and I bought this towel, this intestine. I bought it for I think 2,500, and this two okporokos I bought it for 1,700. These ones I bought it for 5,600. Each of them is 1,400. So this is a quarter bucket of egusi. That small yellow cup, not half penta or quarter. That small yellow cup. The lady I buy this thing from, like, she measures it really well for me. And this is a quarter bucket, not half bucket. And I bought this one for 2,200. Now this is a bitter leaf. This is YOURUBE bitter leaf. I bought this bitter leaf for 1,500. This is red oil. I bought this red oil for, this one is 2,000. This one is 1,000. Can you give me that cup? Give me this one. Yes. So so this is a ogiribo. I don't know what they call it in ogiribo. I don't know what they call it in English language. I think it's a low cost. I don't know because I can't help you with your mama. Please, if you know the name of this in English language, ogiribo. Nkeje to fene sisi na e call it lacha enyu aholo na ekpo. If you know what they call this in English language, please let us know in the comment section. And this is one bucket of crayfish that I bought. Yeah. Yeah. So if it is easy, if me pay, can I give her? Leave it for her. So this one I bought it for 6,000 naira. This is one bucket of crayfish. I bought it for 6,000. Mama, wait, let me see now. Let me see. Blue. Sorry. You know, this is 1.5 buckets of tomatoes. Yes, that is tomatoes. I bought this tomato for half bucket, 1.5 buckets. I bought this one for 5,600. This one is a day. So this AJ, I bought it for 3,000 naira. I don't know if I've mentioned this. This is the 1 bucket of beans. I bought this 1 bucket of beans for 8,000 naira. Now this apple is a gift from my mother-in-law. You guys, hey, in a village, and you're living close to your mother-in-law, and you have a good mother-in-law, you'll understand what I'm saying. Anytime I want to cook, the only reason why I would buy AJ, or apple in the market is if my mother-in-law doesn't have any of these. So she had this banga, this apple. So I asked her for it. She sent it to me. She sent all these things to me. And this one, she didn't have any, so I bought in the market. And yes, that is the end of my vlog today. So for those of you that are still having, hey, people who need to stop on a vlog, Mama, no, now, only van. Okay, for the fan. Ife, what is it? What is it? K-Series, go that side if you want your K-Series to get you. If you want the camera to get you, go that side. Puta, opa cannabis sound. Jidezi, yeah, can I leave her alone? What is this? Okay, yo. If I did what? Same honey toyato. One down. One more to go. I guess you are going to get money in a big one. So, I can't live in a city. Let me brag a bit. You know what I'm saying? One of the advantages of living in the village is you get to plant your own plantain behind your backyard.
I'm like, well, without you, ooh, should've known you too good to be true. Don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. I really thought that I knew. I really thought that I knew where I had ya. I really thought we would be. I really thought you and me were forever. But I guess you had other plans. I wish I'd known in advance that way. Maybe I could've gotten my heart, but now I'm just back at the start. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell?
So, I just...
And I just can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that away. 'Cause you made the world
So hi.
so beautiful, so beautiful.
Good. Good. What's so high?
Mama, let me see her face.
Twisted.
Mama, hi. Clean her mouth.
Too much force. Better on this side.
You said you love the way I noticed how you look into my eyes right before we cross the line.
How are you?
The way we run.
I actually started vlogging now. And in my mind, thank God my babies are asleep. They just woke up. Hey, while I don't do inside this kitchen like this. Mama, give her water, let her drink. Give her water to drink. If you're hearing noise in the background, Guess who? Kenechukwu and Ife. Ifechukwu. And I'm going to cover my pots. Restocking my fridge, restocking my kitchen, whatever you want to call it. Yes. So feel free to, not feel free, please you guys, it is very, very, very important, vital, impudent that you subscribe to my channel. It's very important. You guys subscribe to my channel and be super, 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 super grateful. Subscribe to Mommy's channel. Oh, no.
Let's see.
Say subscribe to Mommy's channel. Say bye. Okay. So you guys, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think about our vlog. If there is something in this video that you related to for the moms in the building, comment down below. And we are super, 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 super grateful. I live in my comment section, you guys. and I always reply your comments anytime you comment. So you guys, let's engage and let's lit up this comment section. Okay.
So, I'm ready.
Yeah. Bye. See you in my next video.
Yes.